Q1. Prime Minister Modi has declared to observe which day as the Partition Horrors Remembrance Day? A. The 14th of August, B. The 15th of August, C. The 16th of August, D. The 13th of August, E. The 12th of August. Correct answer. A. The 14th of August. Notes. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has declared that August 14th will be observed as Partition Horrors Remembrance Day or Vibhajan Vibhishika Smriti Divas, in memory of people's struggles and sacrifices during the partition of the country in 1947. Q2. What is the target year set by the government to become an energy-independent country? A. 2041, B. 2043, C. 2045, D. 2047, E. 2049. Correct answer. D. 2047. Notes. Prime Minister set a target of becoming energy independent by 2047 through a mix of electric mobility, gas-based economy, doping ethanol in petrol, and making the country a hub for hydrogen production. Q3. Tapas is the initiative to provide access to lectures by subject experts, study material, and more. It supplements the physical classroom without compromising on the quality of teaching. Tapas stands for A. Teaching augmenting for productivity and services, B. Training for augmenting productivity and studies, C. Teaching augmenting for productivity and studies, D. Training for advancement in productivity and services, E. Training for augmenting productivity and services. Correct answer. E. Training for augmenting productivity and services. Notes. Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment Dr. Virendra Kumar launched an online portal Tapas, Training for Augmenting Productivity and Services. Q4. Recently, 4 sites from India were added to the Ramsar list as wetlands of international importance. What is the total number of Ramsar sites in India after the addition of these 4? A. 44, B. 42, C. 46, D. 48, E. 49. Correct answer. C. 46. Notes. The total number of Ramsar sites in India have reached 46, covering a surface area of 10,83,322 hectares. The sites have been recognized as wetlands of international importance under the Ramsar Convention. Q5. Recently the government launched brand name and logo for marketing of the Urban Self-Help Group, SHG, products. What brand name has been given to these products? A. Sun Chiraiya, B. Neelkant, C. Saras, D. Gauraiya, E. Shakti. Correct answer. A. Sun Chiraiya. Notes. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has launched Sun Chiraiya, a brand and logo for marketing of the Urban Self-Help Group, SHG, products. Q6. What is the name of India's first cattle genomic chip for the conservation of pure varieties of indigenous cattle breeds? A. Bhargav, B. Godham, C. Indigo, D. Golok, E. Lohegomti. Correct answer. C. Indigo. Notes. Dr. Jitendra Singh today released Indigo chip. It is India's first cattle genomic chip for the conservation of pure varieties of indigenous cattle breeds like Gir, Kankraj, Sahiwal, Ongole etc. Q7. India's first drone forensic lab and research center has been inaugurated in which state? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Maharashtra, C. Gujarat, D. Kerala, E. West Bengal. Correct answer. D. Kerala. Notes. India's first drone forensic lab and research center has come up in Kerala. The inauguration of the center was done by the Chief Minister of Kerala, Shri Pinarayi Vijayan. Q8. What is the name of the new advisory group created by the WHO to study the emergence of future emerging pathogens with pandemic potential? A. Sago. B. Tahoe. C. Halo. D. Pearl. E. Diamond. Correct answer. A. Sago. Notes. World Health Organization (WHO) has created a new advisory group named the International Scientific Advisory Group for Origins of Novel Pathogens, or SAGO. Q9. Adi Godrej has announced to step down as the chairman of Godrej Industries. Who will take over Mr. Godrej? A. Ardeshir Godrej. B. Rati Godrej. C. Rohan Godrej. D. Burjis Godrej. E. Nader Godrej. Correct answer. E. Nader Godrej. Notes. Adi Godrej will step down as the chairman of Godrej Industries on October 1, 2021. He will be replaced by Nader Godrej, his younger brother. Q10. India is marking its 75th Independence Day 2021 as _ A. Azadi Ka Mahotsav. B. आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव. सी. आज़ादी की रोशनी. डी. आज़ादी की शक्ति. ई. हिंद की आज़ादी. करेक्ट आंसर. बी. आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव. Notes. India is celebrating the 75th Independence Day on 15th of August 2021 to mark the country's freedom from nearly 2 centuries of British colonial rule. India is marking its 75th Independence Day as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Q11. Which of the following has launched an online portal, My Heart, to empower artisans and strengthen the value chain of the handicraft sector in the country? A. TCS. B. Wipro. C. Infosys. D. HCL. E. Dell. Correct answer. D. HCL. Notes. HCL Foundation, the corporate social responsibility arm of HCL Technologies, has launched an online portal, My Heart, to empower artisans and strengthen the value chain of the handicraft sector in the country. Q12. Who has flagged off a pioneering world record expedition named Operation Blue Freedom from Dr. Ambedkar International Center, New Delhi? A. Danverao Sahib Dadarao. B. Krishanpal. C. Prahlad Singh Patel. D. Arjun Ram Meghwal. E. Virendra Kumar. Correct answer. E. Virendra Kumar. Notes. The Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment Dr. Virendra Kumar has flagged off a pioneering world record expedition named Operation Blue Freedom from Dr. Ambedkar International Center, New Delhi on the occasion of 75th Independence Day. Q13. Ashraf Ghani has resigned as the president of which country? A. Oman. B. Afghanistan. C. Qatar. D. Pakistan. E. Bangladesh. Correct answer. B. Afghanistan. Notes. Afghanistan President Ashraf Ghani will shortly tender his resignation on August 15, 2021, as the government has surrendered to the Taliban forces, which entered Kabul and sought the unconditional surrender of the central government. Q14. Chinmoy Chatterjee, who recently passed away, was an A. Writer. B. Hockey player. C. Cricketer. D. Footballer. E. Politician. Correct answer. D. Footballer. Notes. Eminent India international footballer Chinmoy Chatterjee, who played for the three Maidan heavyweights in his prime in the 1978 years, has passed away. Q15. Football legend Gerd Muller passes away. He belongs to which country? A. Argentina. B. Germany. C. Spain. D. USA. E. France. Correct answer. B. Germany. Notes. Former West Germany forward and the Bayern Munich football legend, Gerd Müller has passed away. At the international level, he represented West Germany, scoring 68 goals in 62 appearances, and at the club level, He played for Bayern Munich, with which he scored a record 365 goals in 427 Bundesliga games.